Well, today is my Sunday. Your Saturday. Doing a little recording. Gaia is still in the pen. Meaning, I take her out only with Kandor. Put Astro in the house. Put Maui in the bedroom or the garage. It's cool. You know, you're filling their water. They're blowing their coat. They've been blowing their coat. Sounds like the mistresses of the house is in. Today I stumbled upon a memory card from my Coolpix Nikon. From 2016 was the last time I took photos or videos from that camera. It's interesting because it had 2016 photos of Gaia and Astro. Meaning Kandor was born 1 year later. That was before Gaia would have a menstrual period. So it was cool looking at those photos. And there was a video in there too. So I don't know if the video made it to YouTube if it was on that memory card. So I might post it so I could get into the archives. They look different when their hair's blown. The ears don't look small like they used to. Like smaller though. Because their head looked real big with hair. Somebody's there. Somebody was peeking. Astro was letting me know. Look at those eyes. Yeah, it's wolf contents. Hybrids. The higher they are, the more wolfiness they are. And just like, oh, look at deer, yay! We could do it Monday. Relax, you had work today. And then watch them call it. What? Yeah, good, nice. So, before I was rudely interrupted, look at that bond. Their hair's blown, so they walk like a cat, walk on a tightrope. So you see they're walking in a straight line, and just like a cat, they walk with their head level or below level, and then lower. And same way with cat's eyes. They change colors with the sun and the shades and stuff like that. Either they look pure, like Astro's like pure orange in the shade. And then when the sun is lighter, amber. Kandor's is like brownish to me and dark honey color. Gaia is pale yellow. And goes from there to even striking somewhat yellow, depending the sun's out or not or whatever. Kandor, you want your belly rubbed? Ah, look, I give you a belly rub, and your father knows this. Well, and never mind, he's coming over, but he lets you get your belly rub. He's not like you come over and you want the belly rub. He lets you have your belly rub. Look at him. Isn't that right, Astroboy? Yeah. You see, he doesn't say nothing to you. You don't growl to him. He lets you. Now he's digging into my pockets because he found. It's I usually give him treats when I come out. So, is this the residue? You see how Astro lets you? Good boy. Yeah, look at your eyes. Okay, we'll call it a day now. Adios, nos vemos, te veo. Truls, auf Wiedersehen. Sayonara. May the Schwartz be with you. May the Fourth be with you. Live long and prosper. And night-night, my little moon doggies. Booyaka, ka-chow. Showing.